Moving in, checking in. Acme, if you bought 3, they're $2.49 each. I should have went home and dumped some of this stuff, but my mom called me and she needed me to help her around the house, so I just was already in the car, so I kept going. $2.99 each. $7.99, I think. Oh, here's another one. Breakfast. $2.99. From the last trip. And then, oh, you know what? Well, stuff that doesn't go in the fridge, but still have a little bit of butter from the last trip, so I guess pack of rice. Again, I didn't, I just went shopping and just, like I said, she called me, so I left. Went to help her. But I like to set up. So. Oh, yep, she also had, which I was glad. I guess I'll put that somewhere else. Put it right there on the ledge. What's in this? I don't know. I have so much stuff. I don't even know. I just got home Thursday night and then left again today. It's Friday. Oh, yeah. Yep. Forgot about these. Definitely going to get into these today. With the... Yep. Definitely. Where's the line? Yep. Oh, do I have a knife? Oh, no. I thought I had it in here. Banana. Lemon, of course. Gotta have it. I thought I had a knife in here. Dang. Got some raw honey from my mom's house. I'm not gonna have that out, but that's a good deal. I don't know where she found that. Another apple. I'll probably cook these up when I get home. What's this? Oh, mashed potatoes. I don't know. I saw Wendy's across the street. I'm thinking fries, maybe. But maybe not. That's why I bought all this stuff, right? Okay. Plus, I already have chips. Yeah, I'm not going to get fries, no. And these are Pop-Tarts. Maybe in the morning they're all smashed. And crackers. And dates, if you need to have a good movement. And lentils. So, I still haven't eaten those. I'll eat them one day. All right, that's it. So this can go back in there. And probably this. I'll probably mix with some tuna for lunch for tomorrow. So, all right, cool. All right, checked in. I gotta go move my car. Go repark my car.